versus Atomic. Yung G-Stick. Doraemon versus G-Stick. G-Stick versus Doraemon. G-Stick from Zamboanga del Norte, Doraemon from Bunawan, Panabo City. Muna yung team G-Stick. Umahabol yung team Doraemon. Umahabol yung team Doraemon. Umahabol. Patas na naman. Patas na yung tagpunan. Muna na yung team Doraemon. Nahabol na yung team G-Stick. Still leading na yung team Doraemon. Still leading yung team Doraemon. Naiwan na yung G-Stick ng Zamboanga del Norte. Malayo na yung agwat between Doraemon and team G-Stick. Nangunguna pa rin ang team Doraemon. Umahabol yung team G-Stick. Still leading yung team Doraemon. Layo na ang ikot ng G-Stick. Crossing from the finishing line yung team Doraemon. Winner ang team Doraemon. Congratulations team Doraemon. Better luck next time. G-Stick bawi sa sunod na laban. Congratulations team Doraemon ng Bunawan, Panabo City.